The name of our roller coaster is the Blizzard. We chose that because blizzards are fast and fun, like our roller coaster. The theme is winter. We chose this because we thought it would be a fun and exciting idea for a roller coaster.
The Blizzard has a huge 59-centimeter hill that goes into a 22-centimeter hill that whips around a 38-centimeter turn into a smaller 9-centimeter hill. Then you just ride to the end.
The force is when you drop it down its highest hill at the beginning. Motion comes to play when it is moving along the track. Gravity appears when it gets pulled down the hills and stays on the track. When the marble is rolling along the track, it is creating friction. The object is in rest until we drop it, and it is motion until the stop at the end. Stops it. When you drop the marble at the top of the hill, it will go in the way the track wants it.
We should invest in our roller coaster because blizzards are fast and fun like the Blizzard. Our roller coaster would be fun to have because it works well, it is fast, tall, and exciting. Our roller coaster is for ages 10 and up. If you are under 10, you ride from the door.